guys may know me. I've been here for about a year now. I was working with the girls this week, and we actually had another girl come in from George Mason who was subbing for me while I was out a little bit, so they got to work with another girl who actually is competing right now competitively. So I know a lot of them want to compete, and the older girls, so I've coached a lot of competitive dance teams, and I'm on a professional dance team now, so I have a lot of experience with that, and they'll be exposed to a lot more of it throughout the year. I really loved working with them, and the piece that they're doing today is firework, and the older girls are doing Me Too.
Exactly